Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set text in the middle of a page in Word document. So first you need to type your text on the page, for example middle, and now select the text and make it horizontal centering by the pressing Ctrl plus E, and then go to the layout tab on the top ribbon, and in the page setup group you need to click on this small arrow. So in the windows that pop up, select the layout tab, and under the page section you need to find out the vertical alignment and click on this drop down menu and select the center. And now head to the apply to section and click on the selected text, or you can apply whole document if you only want it on one specific page, and then click OK to proceed. So here you can see that the built-in layout feature instruct Word to mathematically center your text block between the top and bottom margin of the page, ensuring exact precision without messing up paragraph spacing. So this way you can easily set text in the middle of a page in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.